What I wish I knew before panicking over my Samsung TV's blinking light? Here are 6 steps to fix it. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. Unplug it from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset can often solve the issue. Step 2. Check the power supply. Make sure the power cord is securely connected to the TV and wall outlet. Look for any visible damage to the cord. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI connections. A faulty HDMI connection can cause the blinking. Disconnect all HDMI cables and reconnect them securely. Step 4. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can be the culprit. Go to the TV settings, find the update section, and install any available updates. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above work, try a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your settings and data. Go to the settings menu, find the reset option, and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Contact Samsung support. If the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Samsung support or a professional technician for further assistance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your tech buddies. Good luck!